Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the dice. Without the dice, we have no game. Now these are big dice here. This is what we use for demonstration for teaching the class. We don't actually throw these in the class. I just want to show you and tell you a little bit about the dice. There are 6 sides. Primary faces are here. There's 4 sides. And then there's a 1 here and a 6 there. All the numbers add up from 1 to 6. There's the 1. The opposite of the 1 is the 6. There's the 2. The opposite of the 2 is the 5. There's the 3. The opposite of the 3 is the 4. So therefore you have 1 through 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you've noticed, if you take the top number on a single die and add it to the bottom die, it always adds up to 7. 3 and 4 is 7. There's the 2. What's in the bottom of the 2? You guessed it, 5. 5 and 2 is 7. Roll over here to the 6. 6 and 1 add up to 7. So there are 6 sides, and top and bottom always add up to 7. Now let's move one step further. You take 2 die and put them together. You've got 2 dice. You've got 3 and 3 in the top. Well, on one die, the top and bottom add up to 7, always. The 2 dice, the 2 top numbers, in this case 3 and 3 is 6, always add up to 14. 6 and 8 is 14. If you have the 10s in the top, 5 and 5 is 10. On the bottom would be 2, 2, 4, adds up to 14. If you have a 5 in the top, the bottom will be a 9. 9 and 5 is 14. And that's very interesting because when you throw the dice, and so let's say your point is a 6. The puck goes to the 6, and if you're using the hard way set to throw the 6, on the bottom is the sister number, which is the 8. Similarly, if your point is a 5, and you want to set for the 5, on the bottom of the 5 on the dice is the sister number, which is the 9. And the same thing holds true for the 4. 4 and 10. 10 is the sister number to the 4. So if you set the dice for the 4, the bottom is the sister, which is the 10. And that'll tell you a little bit about the dice. And a lot of people don't know that a single die adds up to 7, 2 dice add up to 14, but that's important to know because when you go to set the dice, it helps you set the dice a lot faster, and that way you won't get any problems setting the dice in the casino.